dyan. Direk, sa harapan ka na. Wala anong babantay mo dyan, yung outpost. Babombahin sila ng outpost.
They're coming southwest. Coming west.
We will be holding this choke. Don't overextend. Wala kayong heals dyan. AGB and doon na, ABG ah.
Yeah.
Use your merch boots.
Mounted sila. Ito na.
Smarted
Coming
ba?
south. Mounted. They're holding lang. They're holding northeast lang, mounted.
Sige lang. Buksan na ba natin to, Benti?
Hindi sa atin yun.
Oo, of course. Another question mark.
Nakaspawn lang yun.
Dismounted na.
Okay, come to me.
Dismounted na sila.
OC. Everyone OC.
Walking na sila southwest. Walking na sila southwest.
Fred, guys, we're holding this choke. Mga sumisilip dyan sa wall. Asan sila? Wala na information. Ito na pala sila.
North.
Ricky B, baka ma-engage yung your bedrock. Sige. Papasok yan sila.
May brawlers na nag-rap ha. Kawas yung likod.
RDPS, Qs and Ws.
Oh my god, I'm lagging.
Pagka may mga brawler sila, we will hold the choke out. Then,
Pila ko.
sige, we'll wait.
May nasa likod mo. May nandito. Nandito. Sa pink. Southeast mo.
Sige. Everyone, we're still in position. Hold the choke. Oh, nagmumove kayo agad dun. Ano ba yung brawlers? Dito kayo nandito eh.
Pahila ko.
Pag may namatay dyan, kaka-brawl na nila. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Hold the choke.
Andito na yung brawlers na nasa northwest mo.
Northwest.
Oo. Northwest mo. Andito.
Sige, we're good. Sige.
I'm scouting guys. Keep holding that.
Yo, you're clamping!
North. Southeast mo.
You're clamping! Wow!
Direct south mo ha. Madami
Sige. We're holding this choke ha. Defensive tanks, you're gonna hold that choke ha.
Sa
Defensive
loob
tanks,
na
you're
sila
gonna
ng
hold the
OP ha.
choke.
5 people na sa loob ng OP.
5 people?
Oo. 5 people na sa loob ng OP.
Defensive tanks, hold mine if we're gonna engage east side. Shit. Teka lang. Kinuha na nila yung outpost, no?
Kinuha na. Don't dismount ha. Yung mga nakamount, hindi dismount.
Yo, you're clamping!
Sa south mo pa rin sila. Hold them daw.
Yo, everyone, outside of the choke, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, life curse please, life curse. Wala na naman tayong damage, everyone dropping Jude in the front, comes out, hold the choke, comes out, hold the choke, hold the choke, patch, okay, hold, everyone, we're gonna engage inside of us, 10 seconds. West side, come west side. West side natin, find the crown, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, find the crown, delete that, can you delete that? Delete that. Finish. Okay, everyone, come northwest. Peel for us. Energy pills. Come northwest. Huwag nyo na i-brawl. Huwag nyo na masyado i-brawl. Come northwest. Yo, we're gonna engage 5 seconds ha. 5 seconds inside. 5 seconds in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, in the east side. Nice one. Finish lang. Yo, hits on everyone. Come northwest para mag-clamp kayo. Wala na naman tayong tao. Come west. Heals on the east side. Heals on the east side. Wala na tayong heals. Come east side. West side. West side. We're gonna one more engage northwest. Northeast. We're gonna engage northeast ha.
Wala lagi.
Wala, loot up.
Bakla, mo kayo ba? Ako na. Kanlaw, gabi nga prank yan.
Oh my God.
Bayan ng gusto niya.
Ayun, dili na ako ma-press akong iinit ka mo.
Oh, the bus.
Bye, Yosef. Hello, Karaga.